近日社交媒體經常俾呢個叫 Whitney Houston Challenge 洗版啊，咁大家就要喺 Whitney Houston 呢首本名曲 I'll Always Love You 入 chorus 嗰下有一拍有個鼓聲，咁你就要打落去。咁現場非常之熱鬧，非常之雀躍，大家都聽唔到 Whitney Houston 嘅歌聲。咁佢呢個男仔呢係完美打中咗呢一拍嘅。咁同類嘅 challenge 片有好多啊，但係呢一條呢令我特別印象深刻，因為片入面呢位男仔呢係美國新澤西州一位有唐氏綜合症嘅男仔嚟嘅。而今日想分享呢一則留言 ，Shout out to the principals, shout out to the teachers, and shout out to the students. It takes a village to create this type of environment on a school's campus. Shout out to somebody 呢係向某人致意，公開表揚某個人。咁片中呢個氛圍呢，就令到呢位觀眾係想表揚校長、表揚老師、表揚同學，因為呢唔係一個人嘅功勞，呢度係要成村人啊。It takes a village 呢個好有趣嘅用法，通常我哋話 it takes time, it takes money， 到底要投入什麼呢？而家話俾你聽，要成村人啊，真係中文嘅成村人先至做到一個咁關愛、咁開心、咁凝聚嘅一個校園社群咯。咁男童嘅媽媽都有留言喎。Thank you for sharing my boy. We are so thrilled at all the positivity and joy he's been able to spread. 咁學一個字叫做 thrilled， 學一個 phrase 叫做 positivity and joy。再學多個 expression。Thank you for sharing my boy。原來唔使 share the video、share the news、share the emotions， 可以直接 share 我個仔個噃，直接攞去洗，唔使客氣嘅。
This is Ethan Slater, a 7th grader from New Jersey, ready to take on the Whitney Houston Challenge. Ethan hitting the beat perfectly, the entire auditorium erupting in applause, and then Ethan running right into the arms of his teacher, Jessica Vigil.
It's nice to see his growth and for everybody to embrace it with him and help him shine.
We caught up with Ethan and we asked what that moment felt like.
Thumbs up.
The thumbs up says it all. This is Ethan Slater, a 7th grader.
我發現呢，媽媽呢係會喺唔同嘅 post 度留言，而每次留言都唔同嘅喎。That's my boy. Thank you so much for taking the time to interview him, his teacher, and his very proud parents. The world is going to be okay if we keep teaching our children kindness and acceptance. That's my boy. 5個感嘆號。Thank you to the whole school and community for loving him as fiercely as we do. 呢度當然係 fiercely 呢個字用得好有趣，狠狠地愛。正所謂講就兇狠。愛也要愛得兇狠 ，OK。咁呢度呢，我從媽媽身上係學到點樣就住同一個事件去寫一啲唔同嘅角度，而又好人性化、好真誠嘅回應喎。以上就係近日一個流行而又老少咸宜嘅 challenge。咁其實我想講呢，嗰條片入面冇人留言提到嗰位跪喺地下嘅阿 Sir 呢，其實係隔離幫個男仔數拍子，俾咗好大提示個男仔㗎。咁當然啦，有呢個提示都唔等於打得啱嘅，成件事都係好神奇、好 amazing。但係呢度呢，我要特別表揚呢一位阿 Sir，向呢位無名英雄致敬 ，give him a shout out。